how to build an app with AI for free. So I was able to build this password generator app that automatically gives you a password by simply coming to select the length of the password. Okay, so when you select it, you have the option to select it uppercase, the lowercase. You can include numbers, and then you can also come and then include symbols by simply checking this. And then all that you have to do is simply come and click on generate password, and then your password will be generated for you, which you can simply come here to where you have the copy, click on the copy, and then you can use the password. I'm going to show you step by step how you can create similar thing just like this. So what you have to do is simply go to Google AI Studio and then create an account. It is totally free, okay? And then come here to the chat, okay? So within the chat, you have the option to chat with Gemini. And then over here, what you have to do is simply come and then say the exact thing that you want the app to be like, okay? Just describe it in detail, just like this one. I want a password generator app whereby I'll be able to do all this, okay? You have to ask it to give you a prompt and then explain it in detail, okay? So I want a situation whereby I'll have the option to choose the length of the password. There should be a checkbox, uppercase, lowercase, everything. Just take your time, describe your app in detail, and then ask it to give you a prompt. And then that is the prompt that you are going to use to create your app for totally free. Okay, and then when you are done describing it, simply come here, then come and click on the run. So when you click on the run, it is going to give you the codes that you are going to use to build your app. Okay, so the codes will be in three forms. The first one is the index HTML, okay, and that is the code. And then the other one is, and then with that code you can come and then click on the copy to copy it. And then the other one is the style CSS, okay? So and then with this one too, you can also come here and then come and click on the copy to copy it as well. And then the last one will be in the script JS, and that is the JavaScript, okay? And then over here you also have the option to come and then copy it. So it is going to give you the code in three forms. After that, what you have to do is simply go to Google and then come and type in Replit, okay? And then hit enter. Come and then select the official site of Replit, and it's going to bring you right here. So over here you can create your app for totally free without paying anything. Simply come here to where you have the sign up and come and click on the sign up, and then from here you can simply come and then enter your email and then password directly to sign up. You can also sign up using any of these, so I'm going to go with Google, okay? And then after that, come and then select your email address and come and click on continue. Over here your account will be created, and then you have your default user name that you can change it. You can come and put in your first name here, then you put in your last name, and then you have to come and then select your plan, okay? So either you're going to use it for any of these, work, personal, or for school. So come and select for personal use, and then simply come and then click on the continue. And then over here you have to come and then select the free plan, okay? So the starter is the free plan, and then you can build up to 10 public apps, okay? So that is what you should select, and then come and click on continue with the starter. After that, simply come here, then come and then click on start creating. And that is it, your account has been created successfully. So now to create the app, simply come here to where we have the create app, and then come and click on it. So when you click on it, over here you have the option to build the app with AI, and then to choose a template. So let's come and then select a template, and then come and then search for this HTML. Okay, we have the static and then we have the auto refresh. Come and select the auto refresh, and then after selecting it, come and then name your app. Okay, so I'm going to name my app as password generator, just like this one. And after that, simply come down here and then come and then click on create app. Okay, so it is going to ask you to give you a tour. Just come and then close it, and then over here we have our app, and then we have the HTML, that is the index HTML, okay? But you have to add the other two, and then to add it, all that you have to do is that you have to come and then click on the plus icon. Okay, so this one you can come and then click on it so that we add the other two. So when you click on it, what you have to come and then search for is CSS. Okay, just type in CSS and come and select the style.css. Okay, so as you can see, we have the index HTML, have the CSS. Okay, let's add the other one by clicking on the plus icon and then simply come here and then come and type in the JS. Okay, and come and select the script.js. So when you select it, now we have the three. We have the index HTML, we have the style.css, and then we have the script.js. Now let's go and then select the index HTML and come and paste in the code right here, the one that we got from Google AI Studio. Okay, so let's come here and then from here we have the index HTML, and then let's scroll down and then come here to where we have the copy and come and click on the copy. So when you click on it, you will see that it has been copied to the clipboard. Okay, and then simply come here and then come and then highlight the codes that is already in it by clicking on Ctrl plus A, and then it's going to highlight everything, and then paste the new code by clicking on Ctrl plus V. Okay, and then it has been pasted right here. So the next thing is that we have to come and then do the exact same thing with the CSS by selecting it. Let's go and then copy our code. Okay, simply come here. So we have the star.css. Come down here to where we have the copy and then come and click on the copy, and after clicking on it, you'll see that it will be copied to the clipboard just like this one. Okay, and now simply come here, make sure that the star.css is selected, come and then highlight the code in it already, and then come and then paste the new code. Okay, and now what you have to do is to simply do the exact same thing for the script.js by selecting it. Let's go and then get our code. Okay, so as you can see, we have the script.js here, and then let's go down to where we have the copy and then come and click on the copy. Now you can see that it has been copied, okay, to the clipboard. So let's go directly and then come and select the script.js and come and paste our code in just like that. So now that is it. We have our codes pasted. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on the run. And that is it. Your app is going to be generated for you in seconds. So as you can see, we have our password generator app that has been created. And as I said, it is an auto-generated password that you can copy as your password. What else you have to do is simply come and then set the length. Okay, so the letters is the length. Okay, so you can select any of them. You can select, let's say, 8 if you want the length of it to be 8. And then you have the option to allow uppercase. You have the option to allow lowercase. You have the option to include numbers as well. And then you have the options to include symbols by checking the box. Okay, and then you can simply come and then click on generate password. It is going to auto generate the password for you, and all that you have to do is simply come and then click on copy, and that is it. Your password has been copied and then you can use it anywhere. Okay, so this is an easy way to create an app for totally free. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on the deploy, and then you can share your app on the internet with anyone that wants to use it. Okay, so when you come here, okay, to the Replit, over here you will see that you have your app right here. Okay, so from the home you see that you have the app that you have created right here, and then in front of it you see that it is public, and then in front of it you see that you have the three dots. When you click on it, you can come and then do a cover page, you can edit it, you can remix it, and then you can delete it. Okay, so if you have any questions, leave in the comment down below. See you in my next video.